Today I'm going to say about the 5 reasons only the lower cc motorcycles can enjoy on long ride. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Dhruvo and you guys are watching your vlogger D. Dekho boss, jokhoni kotha hoy any kind of traveling or riding, the first thing comes in our mind is the budget and the budget. And the real fun riding a lower cc motorcycle is that the budget always stays low. The main expense of a bike ride is the petrol, and when you are riding a lower cc motorcycle, the mileage is higher. If you are on a group ride, then the hotel rent automatically gets shared equally among all of them and it's cost you less. And jodi tomra bhabo je amar trip er expense ki hoy, to believe me, till now amar shop kota trips er expense is under 3k. Dekho boss, when I am saying about a lower cc motorcycle, that means I am talking about less than 200cc motorcycles. Amra shobai jani how much maintenance is important for a motorcycle. Maintaining a motorcycle is not that easy, but lower cc motorcycles makes it easy because they don't need such maintenance like the higher cc motorcycles. And when I am talking about the higher cc motorcycles, I am talking about the BMW, Triumph, Ducati, Kawasaki and all. Before a ride, we always need to service our motorcycles, and the best part of the lower cc motorcycles is that the service cost is very low. Khub beshi hole 700 to 800 er moddhe servicing hoye jay. And on the other hand, the servicing cost of the higher cc motorcycles can be the budget of your whole trip. There was lower cc motorcycle the highway cruising speed maybe around 80 to 100 kmph hote pare depending upon the motorcycle. Tomader highway cruising speed ki comment down below. According to me, the speed of 80 to 100 kmph is a enjoyable speed in the highways, because देखो इतने की बेशी यदि चला higher speed इते तर accident होगा chance बेशी थाके. And the main part is तुम्हार concentration पूरा road एर ऊपरे थाके when you are riding on a high speed, and तुम्ही একটা সুন্দর এনজয়েবল বিউটি মিস করে যেতে পারো while রাইডিং. যেই সব জায়গা থেকে তুমি রাইড করতে করতে আসছো, এই জায়গার একটা আলাদা বিউটি হতে পারে, ওই বিউটিটা তোমরা মিস করে যেতে পারো. তো অ্যাজ পার মাইসেলফ আই প্রেফার দ্য স্পিড অফ 80 to 100 kmph and have an enjoyable ride. If you are riding at a good cruising speed, then the mileage automatically gets better rather than riding at a higher speed continuously. Dekho boss, when you are riding on a lower cc motorcycle and you have planned a tough ride, then there will be many people who will be demotivating you by saying that tu parbi na eto kilometer jete, tu parbi na এটা করতে, তুই পারবি না এখানে পৌঁছাতে, তুই এত কিলোমিটার বাইকে যাবি, তোর বাইক খারাপ হয়ে যাবে রাস্তা, and many things. And then when you achieve the destination, that goal that you have set on the lower cc motorcycle, and that feeling, it's out of the world. And that time you don't need to answer any of your demotivators, rather than they will be proud of you after that. Dekho boss, lower cc motorcycles are the safest motorcycle in the world because they are light in weight, they have less speed, and jodi bike follow hoye jay, in case you can pick it up of your own and take care yourself. Lower cc motorcycles er byapare tomar oto intense knowledge lagbe na, and you can fix the choto moto problems of your motorcycle without depending on anyone. And when you say about solo riding becomes easy in lower cc motorcycles because lower cc motorcycles doesn't create any trouble, as my experience, because I am also a lower cc motorcycle rider. তো তোমরাই সবাই জানো যে এভরিথিং হ্যাজ এ অ্যাডভান্টেজ অ্যান্ড দ্য ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজেস, বিকজ অ্যাট দ্য এন্ড অফ দ্য ডে নাথিং ইজ 100% পারফেক্ট। সো এগুলো ছিল হচ্ছে কিছু অ্যাডভান্টেজেস অফ রাইডিং অন এ 100cc মোটরসাইকেলস, অ্যান্ড ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজেসও আছে অনেক। তো আমি একটাই ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ বলবো, এটা আমি ফিল করি in a lower cc motorcycle, that it takes a lot of time to ride. হাই স্পিডে চালাতে পারবো না, তো লো স্পিডে একটা মিনিমাম স্পিড থাকে, ওই স্পিডের মধ্যে তো to reach the destination it takes a bit more time than the higher cc motorcycles, and that I feel bad from my side. Thank you guys for watching this video. আজকের ভিডিওটা এই পর্যন্তই, তোমার সাথে দেখা হচ্ছে কালকে আরেকটা নতুন ভিডিওর সাথে।